Hello, Dr. Friend. Thank you for taking the time today.
This project, which is called the AML Federation, incidentally after Star Trek Federation, is one that is assuming that we have an overall threat, that is, to be able to cure children with AML. And to do that, we're asking people to share their earliest ideas, their insights, before they're fully formed, before, for example, someone would publish a paper. And so the Federation has 4 groups. One in Finland, one in Seattle, which is where we're based, one in Portland, Oregon, and one in Phoenix. And in real time, see whether 4 groups that normally might compete with each other could actually come together and influence each other so that actually the best care possible was being threaded through those sites in real time. Let's have a patient coming in here to Phoenix, and when they're going ahead and getting a sample taken, ordinarily that would be analyzed just there within that hospital. The care would stay there. Now, what we're doing is we're making it so that between all of these places, there are connections going on, and so when that patient comes in and their sample is analyzed, let's say there's a DNA change here, there's an RNA change here that is noted like this, then that data is going in real time out to all those other centers, and the information that might be helpful at a clinical level, so at the clinical level, it's coming back at the research level, meaning what's going on in their cells, and genetically it's coming back. And what we're going to do, we hope this is going to work, what we're going to do is we're going to make it so that the tumor board that usually drives that person's care in this little circle here is actually as if all the power in all those places are going on at once. It basically means that no one center is trying to make that decision by themselves, but basically you get this wisdom of the experts that are at all those places, no matter where you are. AML is the perfect place in which to try this out. And what I get asked often by other tumor groups is, why is this getting done in AML first? And the answer is not just the need, but the ability to collect tumor cells and analyze them. This represents the absolute cutting edge of all cancer research. If we can solve this in AML, then we can look at how we can solve it for others. But I think those who fund research in AML should be proud that in fact it's not just about AML, but actually the answers that we get here, this concept of a federation, is something that will ripple out and hopefully impact not just AML, but all the other tumors that we need to treat in a similar way. The reason why this work can go on is that a group like St. Baldrick's was willing to step up and take a risk. You are not a normal organization. We are not normal people. That's good.